Hey everyone, welcome back to Imagination Tech, and we are here in Camotes Island! Hey everyone, we are here at Camotes Island here in Cebu. And we are here at Mangodlong Paradise Beach Resort. So we are just having a quick vacation, a quick getaway. Today is a Sunday, but a couple of days ago, on Thursday, we got married. So we are now Mr. and Mrs. Louie, and alright. So couple of announcements. First, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I do have a YouTube channel, and I hope you subscribe to that. I'm gonna post a link to that below in the description below or in the caption. Second is that in a couple of months, we are going to be going to Australia, and we're probably going to be settling there. At least in the foreseeable future. So we are going to be having more adventures. It's just going to be in a different place. So we've known about this for a couple of months now. That's why we had to change our wedding plans. We initially planned to go to have our wedding in La Union, but we scaled it down and had it in a nice, very private, intimate wedding just in Quezon City. And for those of my friends, will probably be seeing some of those pictures when they come out, and when when the photographer sends it to us. But yeah, so that happened. Just wanted to make that quick announcement. The channel is pretty much going to stay the same. It's still going to be about my journey about learning how to fly FPV and all of the stuff I encountered along the way, and all of the travels that we're going to be doing. It's just going to be in Australia, as opposed to my original plan, which was to go around the Philippines and bring my quad along. Anyway, so this has been a very, very cool adventure. We have a nice beachfront villa right here. I wanted to show you some of the place we went to here in Camotes Island. I keep wanting to say Dinagat. So here in Camotes Island in Cebu. And so yeah, check out the Mangodlong Paradise Beach Resort. So we rented a motorbike yesterday for 500 pesos, and it's good for 24 hours. But you can also rent it, by the hour. If you're not comfortable riding a motorbike, you can also, ride a multi-cab or have a driver ride your motorbike. So you have someone to drive the motorbike while you ride on the back. That's gonna cost a little bit more, but with a driver, at least he can tour you around the island. And if you're renting your own motorbike, you just have to familiarize yourself with the map. It's not that hard. You can reach the farthest point of the map in about an hour, and you can most places you can go to in 15 minutes, 30 minutes away from this resort. Surprisingly, they were serving some lechon over there, and for 120 pesos you can get a meal with lechon and rice and some pancit. And it's really good lechon. Surprisingly, I think one of the best lechons probably I've tasted in recent times. And after a different kind of pad thai. Sure, thank you. Okay, thank you. So, and then after we went to Lake Danao, we went to Tumibo Cave. It was an underground cave where you could swim. It's really nice. So that was really quite fun. The sun was setting, we went to Santiago White Beach. We spent the afternoon there. We had some barbecue there by the Baywalk, and when the sun was gone, we just went back to the hotel, had our dinner, and passed out. we did drink a little bit of wine before we passed out in our rooms. So today we woke up early. It was a gloomy day. It was drizzling just a little bit, but we were still able to go out with our motorbike. We went to, what's the first place we went to? Busay Falls. So the Busay Falls was really nice. Nice sprinkled waters. It was a bit developed, so it's not. The waterfalls itself is man-made, but there are structures around the falls itself too. So from Busay Falls, it was just a 15-minute ride to Butilak Cave.
Bukitlao.
Hey everyone, so we're here at Bukilat Cave, and this whole area is supposed to be flooded with water, except right now it's low tide. But so there's no water right now, but as you can see, it's a really beautiful cave with all of these stalactites, stalagmites, and all of these cave openings. You can see there are several birds flying around, and these are, I think, I'm not sure what species of bird this is, but they make their nests in here. Right now we're having lunch. So funny thing is, their Bicol Express is not so good. The pad thai is the weirdest thing you ever see. It doesn't even look like pad thai, but I'll show you a picture of that. Thankfully they agreed to change the order. At least we have some agreeable bagnet, binagoongan bagnet with kare-kare sauce. It's kind of a weird fusion with cabbage. So anyway, yeah.
Parsley.
Yeah, so aside from the food, this lunch, everything here in Mangodlong Mangodlong Paradise Beach Resort is pretty spot on. The accommodations were really great. The place is really beautiful, and yeah, we just got, how much did we get this for? I think the beachfront villa is regularly priced around $80 per night, around 4,000 pesos. We got that for much less. Yeah, we got that for a discounted price, so it was less than 4,000 pesos. So anyway, that's going to be it for now. Hope you enjoy this update. Well, anyway, right now we're waiting for our ride back to the port to get on the ferry. Probably will fly to Oblivion right now, and hope to leave you with some footage from that flight. Right. So anyway, as always, keep building and keep flying. See you. Everyone, so just a quick update. We are here at the airport. We are still here at Cebu Airport, at Mactan Cebu International Airport, and we are stuck here because flights have been cancelled back to Manila. Not just for AirAsia, but also for Cebu Pacific and maybe Philippine Airlines as well. Taal volcano has just had a phreatic eruption and spewing clouds of ash all over the region.